All right. So as I'm looking and TAing in my own thoughts, what's if you haven't realized it yet, when there's more said, there is whale, we're whale watching right now, and the whales, there's whales on both sides, but there's more selling. I mean, it's a fight. It is a fight. But 8,500, we have support at. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. This is what's happening.
2 orcas peel off. They will close in from behind.
That's us. We want the legendary Bitcoin.
Traveling at 35 knots, a killer takes a bite of flesh in less than a second. Now there is blood in the water, and the frenzy begins.
Killer whales.
The mother tries to put her body between the injured calf and the killers.
Oh, she's trying to protect her baby. I'm trying to protect.
Far below, the pod hear the orcas. They must return before it's too late.
Maybe I'm not enough. I'm not enough.
The pod arrives, but the danger is not over.
Oh, is there more whales?
They instinctively form a protective rosette around the injured calf.
Come on, God,
But the killer whales are relentless.
They are. I can't believe this is exactly what's happening.
They can kill an entire pod. But not today. A fully grown bull has arrived.
Yes. Please, dear God, please.
Male sperm whales are 30% larger than females and carry over twice the weight.
That's right.
Unlike the females, they possess a formidable row of teeth. He's one whale too many for the killers.
All it takes is one. All it takes is one. So calling to the god whales, where the fuck are you guys? Golly. Sorry, it's my fucking sisters texting me there. Everyone's, see, this is why these are the bad times. These are the times where the beginners, I'm not stressed over myself. I Bitcoin's gonna be fine. But people don't want to hear it when the price is going down. You realize, maybe they, it's testament. I feel fine about my investments. I'm doing fine. Hopefully you are too. So we will just see. But when we look at the market cap here too, I mean, look where Ethereum's at. Pretty damn close. And you know what I'm thinking about for old Betty? I'm thinking about trading off of Ethereum and redoing all my configuration for Ethereum. But I did see some TA that was like, is Ethereum about to... Ethereum's been holding very strong as compared to Bitcoin. But is it Ethereum's turn? Ethereum has like people behind it, people that Vitalik and whoever, and like people aren't going after him. He's viewed as a good guy, like in the major space with politics and whatnot. What I want to know is where's the Winklevoss twins? The Winklevoss twins. Winklevoss twins. Actually, we'll type into Google first. Winklevoss twins Bitcoin. Let's see if these guys are saying anything here. What are these guys saying? News. The virtual sky is falling. Bitcoin meltdown is worse than you think. Look, the media is pushing it all down. And you know, Ethereum isn't getting all that heat. Welcome to the jungle. So you adjust and you go on about your life. It's hard for people just to like trade through it. But like if you bought into Bitcoin, you bought into it for the long term. So I know what I'm doing. I know I have the time and the ability to, I can just do whatever I want and sell it and buy it and short it. And eventually when it goes back into bull mode, we just need that switch for all the people to start buying again. This is a pretty big wall here at 8,500. It's 180 Bitcoins. That's, 1.8 million. That ain't much. There's some whales out right now. We are whale watching, and it is a war right now. What you guys are seeing is war, and in this time, there's a lot of money to be made. So, what are you gonna do? I mean, look at these. I mean, there's money to be made, and there's money to be lost. But I just wanted to voice a couple of those opinions. I think I'm gonna try. I'm gonna switch Betty over to Ethereum, I think, and test some of that out, and we'll see.